We begin our tour at Westbridge, where the West Kettle joins the main Kettle River. The area looks much like it did last year, and in an earlier video, Kettle River High Water 2017, but the flooding was higher this year. In the Grand Forks area, flood levels were reported to be 60 centimeters higher than the largest previous flood of 1948. An area just north of Rock Creek. In this area, 2015 wildfire damage is still visible. An area just above the bridge in Rock Creek. The river normally runs to the right side of the trees in the center. In Rock Creek, a new temporary river channel through the property on left. A close-up of the property just seen from above. Between Rock Creek and Midway, Myers Creek area, river normally runs only in the foreground channel. An area just below the Myers Creek area. After that, we head down the river to Grand Forks, which saw substantial damage. Many other videos of that on YouTube. We show the aftermath of the damage in the Ruckle area, where a dike failed and swamped over 100 homes. Some dike overflow claimed, but no overflow a short distance downstream, so was dike height uneven, not repaired as recommended in past years. No good answers yet given for the dike failure. Another casualty in the Ruckle flood occurred at the electrical substation and switching compound. Created long outage in the Grand Forks area and affected pumping ability and much else. For more on the story, see our blog, Dry Rot Journal.